Good morning, class. I am Anil Saxena with the next video of Chapter P block, CBSE Class 12. Properties of hydride. Hydride means compound formed by the reaction of elements of group as well as hydrogen. Chemical properties of hydrides are very important, and reasoning question based on these properties, they are generally asked from properties of hydride. So very important, prepare these properties very sincerely, class. Class 16 group elements from S2M type of hydride, where M is the element of group like oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Total 8 properties are described here, which will cover all the question will be asked in the board examination. Very first, the properties which follow the decreasing order, like H2O, H2S, H2SE, H2TE. So H2O is having maximum in these properties, while H2TE is having minimum about these properties. Class, the very first is bond angle. Class, you should know that all these hydride, they have band shape, sp3 hybridization with the 2 bond pair and 2 lone pair. So band shape, 2 bond pair, they are actually deciding the bond angle. So as we move down, atomic size of central atom like oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium increases, as well as electronegativity of central atom decreases. Due to increase in atomic size and decrease in electronegativity, bond pair actually shifts away from central atom, and due to which repulsion between bond pair decreases and bond angle also decreases. So that is the cause of first property, that is how the bond angle decreases. Class, next one is the thermal stability. H2O is maximum thermally stable, while H2T is minimum thermally stable. Thermal stability depend on the bond strength, and bond strength depend on the bond length. So as you know, again, as we move down the group oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, atomic size of elements increases, hence bond length increases, and bond strength and bond length, they are reciprocal to each other. Hence bond strength decreases. That is why HM bond is strongest for water and weakest for hydrogen hydride of tellurium. So thermal stability for water is maximum, while H2T is minimum. Next one is the basic nature. Class, all hydrides are Lewis base due to presence of lone pair of electron in central atom. Lewis basic nature depend on the availability of those lone pair of electron. So as we move down the group, atomic size increases, as we are discussing again and again. As we are moving down the group, atomic size increases. Due to increase in atomic size, same charge on all central atom but larger size, so charge to radius ratio decreases. That indicate less availability of those electron pair on central atom, and that is why basic nature also decreases. So H2O is maximum basic, while H2TE is minimum basic according to concept of Lewis. So these 3 properties, they are decreasing as we are moving down the group: bond angle, thermal stability and basic nature. Now we are again on the 3 properties, class, second case, where properties are increasing as we moving down the group for the hydride of 16th group elements like H2O, H2S, H2SE, H2TE. So these property will be minimum for H2O and maximum for H2TE. Properties are as bond length, reducing nature and acidic nature. Class, everyone should know the reasoning of each and every point. So very simple, as we are moving down the group, again atomic size of elements increases, like oxygen is smallest, then sulfur is larger, then selenium is again more larger, and tellurium is largest. So due to increase in atomic size of central atom, bond length increases. HM bond length increases. So bond length, very simple reasoning, due to increase in atomic size. Next one, the reducing nature. Again, this reasoning is linked with the previous one. Again, as we are moving down the group, bond length increases, hence HM bond strength decreases and easily can be dissociated to provide hydrogen. Class, all those who provide hydrogen, they are reducing agent. Those who provide hydrogen easily, they are a strong reducing agent. So H2T is the strongest in reducing nature. So since it provides hydrogen very easily due to weak HTE bond, while water is weakest in reducing action. Class, next one is the acidic nature. Also same cause for the acidic nature. Here you can say H plus. In place of H you can say H plus. So all those hydrides of 16, even in fact all hydride of 16 group provide H plus in water on dissolving them in water, which is possible due to the weak bond strength of HM bond, where M is the metal. So class, acidic nature increases down the group. Since H2TE bond strength is weakest, can easily provide H plus, while HO bond is strongest, not easily possible to have H plus. So these three property increases down the group: bond length, reducing nature, and acidic nature. Class, you should know reasoning of each and every point. Then two exceptional cases are there. One is boiling point. Class, boiling point of all compounds depend on strength of intermolecular forces. Intermolecular forces strength depend on the size of central atom, as well as some other factors are also there. Mainly the size of central atom. So in this case, boiling point having exceptional behavior. As we move down, as we move down, size of central atom increases. Largest atom is tellurium, so H2TE should have the maximum boiling point, while smallest atom is oxygen, so H2O should have minimum boiling point. But exceptionally it is not. But it is not there. Exceptionally, water have maximum boiling point. Boiling point in case of hydride of group 16 follows this order: H2S is minimum, then H2SE, then H2TE. H2O is exceptionally having maximum boiling point. Class, water molecules, they are associated through extensively associated through intermolecular hydrogen bond, while rest of the member, due to the larger size of central element, as well as less electronegativity of central element, do not associate through hydrogen bond. So boiling point is directly proportional to magnitude of van der Waals forces. This is for rest of the members like H2S, H2SE, H2T. But in case of water, actually these van der Waals forces plus hydrogen bonds, extra forces, hydrogen bond developed, which increases boiling point of water exceptionally. Class, volatile nature. Recently, 2 years back, this question being asked in the board examination to the cause of volatile nature. Why volatile nature being asked? Why H2S is more volatile than water? This question being asked. So volatile nature is just opposite to the boiling point. The compound which have less boiling point will be more volatile nature. Volatile nature depend on tendency to form vapors and how easily the compound form vapor. Definitely the compound which have less boiling point will form the vapor more easily. So this is just reverse of the previous one. The boiling point order, volatile nature is just reverse the boiling point order. So H2S is most volatile while H2O is least. Class, many questions indirectly they are asked in this topic, while H2O is liquid and H2S is gas. Again, the answer is same, that H2O is associated through intermolecular hydrogen bonds. So it is actually it obtained physical state liquid, while H2S is associated only through van der Waals forces. So it is gas. Same concept is there. Class, hydride properties based on hydride or questions based on hydride, they are frequently asked. And one more point, group hydride of group 15, hydride of group 16 and hydride of group 17. First 6 property they have same cause. First 6 properties. While the 7th and 8th, that is the boiling point and volatile nature, that may have little bit exceptions. Everywhere is exception. In group 15, ammonia is exceptionally giving the different order due to the association through intermolecular hydrogen bonding, while in 17, hydrogen fluoride is also giving the different order because of the association through intermolecular hydrogen bond. Class, today your work to prepare properties of hydride in very well manner. Definitely it will give a scope of minimum one question in your CBSE board examination. Thank you very much.